Hey going, Landon here from Zero Grid. I just thought I'd run through a common question that I've get about setting up the smart shunts with any battery in particular. So I've been putting systems together for a while and supplying batteries and different equipment for people to build systems. And yeah, it's a good combination. I really like the Victron SmartShunt, and I also like using good components from different brands to really build epic systems as well. And sometimes there's certain components that it's important to keep in a similar brand, and chargers would be an example for that, just with their profiles of charging. Excuse me. But when you're just wanting a good app to use, the Victron app is quite nice to use for checking the capacity of the battery. And this is what I'll have in my van. And yeah, so and the Renogy batteries are good as well. They're a good price lithium battery that have a good cycle life and a good warranty as well. So to me it's a good combo. But yeah, so the shunt. Just a quick rundown on what a shunt is. A shunt is a flow meter. So as much as they're called smart, they're not very smart. All they're doing is measuring power that comes through the shunt. So think of it as a water meter. So it's only as good as the information that you put in. So if it's not set up right from when you put it in, it's not going to show the right reading. So on your phone, there's the Victron Connect app, and you can find heaps of tutorials and that type of stuff to set up the smart shunt. But these are the settings that I like to use. So battery capacity, obviously that's going to vary with what battery you've got. Charge voltage, so that's the voltage. So the way the shunts work is that they will calibrate, like reset themselves every time they think that the battery is full. So then they'll work backwards. So then if it uses, say, like 25 amp hours of capacity flowing through the meter, it would show then that it's at 75% full for this 100 amp hour battery. And then if it adds, because it measures both ways, if it adds in 10 amp hours, it would then work out, I can't remember what I said now. So it would be 85. Did I say 75? Sounds about right. So, so yeah, these are the settings that I like. I will paste them into the comment section as well. The reason that I choose 30% state of charge is that that's generally where they are when they're sent from the warehouse, I suppose. So then they really need that getting up to 100% full type scenario to reset at that value. So yeah, so feel free to use those settings, and let me know if you've got any other questions on setting your system up. Cheers guys, bye.